Take a pic. Hello. How are you? You alright? Jesus was riding you, mate. So do you know Jesus, yeah?
I'm gonna vlog this. Okay, so we're at Willow Farm. Kids are really having a lot of fun. Oh, I just spotted some sheep. You see some sheep over there? Wade and Ima are really having a lot of fun. And look at these bags, rolls and rolls of hay. Are you having fun? Sheep. I saw the sheep over there. But you can't see them because of the stinging nettles.
No.
Can I lift them up?
Yeah. I can.
Look at the sheep there. Can you see the sheep? Can you see the sheep?
See the sheep next to the tree.
Can you see the sheep, Simon? There. Yay! Sheep. They're roasting.
Camera.
Let's see.
Look at mommy. Sheep are roasting.
Where's the drinks? The drinks.
Where's the drinks?
Yeah.
Oh, yes. Well remembered, Wedu.
No, you're not allowed.
No, we'll come back down.
No, it's not safe.
Huh?
It's not safe.
We'll come back down.
Oh, you want to come back down. I thought you wanted to climb that black thing. Let's go that side. Ima, come back. We're going that side.
This side? We'll come back. We'll come back.
No, you're not allowed. You're not allowed.